So today I'm going to show you how to import an Excel into Monday.com using the data that's in the Excel to transfer over into here. This is just helpful with any large amounts of data that you have within Excel that you need to transfer over into Monday. The thing to keep in mind here at first is within Monday, you already have to have the columns set up how you have them in your Excel or how you want the data to be transferred over. When you do the import from Excel into Monday, it does not automatically create the column headers. So that's something that you want to make sure that you are doing first. The other thing to keep in mind is that Monday only pulls in certain types of columns. So a text column, an email column, a date column, status, and number. There are a bunch of other options of different column types that you can add that are not supported in the actual Excel import functionality. However, you can import something and change the column type later and pull the data over that way. So here's my Excel sheet that I'm uploading. As you can see, it's just an example. So we have name, email, contact, the date, status, phone number. So this is all going to be able to be pulled in. The other thing to keep in mind is with the dates, it has to be in this ISO format. Otherwise, the date will not pull over. So all we have to do is go back into our Monday board, click up at the three dots up here, select more actions, import items, and then we'll select the file, hit next. And then this is when we're going to start mapping our data. So this will tell us which file or which column from our Excel document we want to start our import from. I'm going to start with the first one. And then you just map each column to each header in Monday. So my email column, I'm going to select email. My contact, it's the contact. The date goes to the date. Status, number to number, and then I just had some additional ones in here. I only went up to column H in my Monday board, so there are no other selections here. So that means that all the other columns that I had in my Excel will not be pulled over. So that is another thing to keep in mind. You want, like as I mentioned earlier, you want to make sure that each header in Monday is already created to match your Excel and how you want it uploaded. And there's a couple of different options here of how you want to handle any duplicates. So either skipping or overwriting, but for this, we'll just create new items. And here it is. So all of the information pulled over. As I mentioned, you can change like the status or change the column type at a later time. Just here showing an example. So if you do want to pull that information over and then eventually transfer it to a different type of column type, you could do that at a later time. Thanks for watching.